So there is a new interesting shortcut for iPhone based on ChatGPT. So this is not an app. This is just like a shortcut which you can use with other apps. Just search in shortcuts for something called S-GPT. It was just recently created, and then you can just set up shortcut. What you need to do to use this shortcut, you need to enter your OpenAI API key. Make sure to set up a pay-as-you-go billing method on the OpenAI before generating an API key. So then here you can just add it, and then you will be able to use it with other shortcuts. And it can be pretty powerful thing. So it will be available in Safari share sheet, so you can summarize a web page using this plugin shortcut. Then it can process your clipboard. You can set up reminders and tell like what you can do in your calendar on which days. You can summarize the text extracted from any image in your photo library, Safari URLs. It can offer you to open some links, and then S-GPT can make a playlist in Apple's Music app for any list of songs returned by ChatGPT. As long as there is a list of songs provided by S-GPT, you can ask to turn it to a playlist, and you will end up with a brand new actual playlist in the Music app. Try asking something like, make me a playlist with 10 Emma songs from the late 2000s. So it's pretty cool. Again, it's free shortcut, but to install it you need to have an account, OpenAI API, and you need to set up API key there. So that's what you need to do, and then you will just be able to use it.